Let's practice saying to want something using the present tense, first person conjugation. In Spanish, you would say, quiero un helado. In English, you would say, I want an ice cream. Now, let's practice using the past tense, first person conjugation. In Spanish, you would say, quise un helado or quería un helado. In English, you would say, I wanted an ice cream. Now, let's practice using the conditional tense, first person conjugation. In Spanish, you would say querría un helado. In English, you would say I would want an ice cream. Finally, let's practice using the future tense, first person conjugation. In Spanish, you would say querré un helado. In English, you would say I will want an ice cream. Thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed the video. Please like and subscribe for more content and leave a comment in the comment section. See you next time.